these lyrics into his trial. So what is your First Amendment rights? Freedom of speech, right? So now they trying to let the rap lyrics in the thug trial, man, to be used against him. Now, I feel a certain type of way about this shit because I feel as though it shouldn't be allowed in there. But then I also feel as though these rappers shouldn't put shit in their music that gonna get them locked the fuck up. So that's a catch-22. You know what I'm saying? You go on these lyrics, on these beats, and you talk about murders and shit, and think them people they ain't trying to use it, right? So, in my opinion, if you commit a crime, keep it out the music because you know that's what they doing. Now, it ain't a federal. This is what I want to show y'all. When young boy went to trial this is how this is going to get possibly overturned. When young boy went to trial, they tried to use young boy lyrics against him in federal court. And the judge said, no, you can't do that. Y'all remember that? So watch this now. So let's go right here. We gonna go right here when they had NBA young boy lyrics can't be used at trial. So, NBA YoungBoy lyrics couldn't be used against him as evidence. A judge ruled this, and his federal trial. So a federal judge said these lyrics can't be used as evidence. All right? They can't be used as evidence. Yeah, y'all forgot about that, didn't you? Didn't you? Didn't you forget about this? So that's why Onan here to remind you. A federal judge. Gordon's defense team also highlighted several other items in the vehicle that didn't belong to him, but the judge said Assistant Attorney Amanda urged jurors to ignore Gordon's status as being a rapper. But the judge said, no, sir, you ain't bringing no lyrics in this federal court to convict him. So Judge Klossner ruled in Gordon's favor after the defense team urged that lyrics were irrelevant. How lyrics irrelevant when all young boy talk about is guns and shooting people? Y'all understand why he's saying with this, right? I ain't saying that in his trial, guns is very highly in his music. So these lyrics are highly prejudiced or I can't pronounce that word. Y'all pronounce it for me. Prejudicial, excuse me, as they discuss hardcore rap, which has been empirically established to be more negatively received than other genres of music, all right? It would be one thing if the music described his arrest, Gordon legal team, led by lawyers James P. and Andre. So his lawyers said right here, if the fucking arrest ain't got nothing to do, or the crime ain't got nothing to do with the rap lyrics, hey, this shit should be insubmissible. Right? So let me tell y'all what's going on. Y'all at the principal office now. Hit the like button. Time for me to school y'all. Time for me to school y'all right now. Using his lyrics as a violation of the First Amendment rights. All right, I done called Judge Coffey. Now it's time for me to call Judge Glanville. Watch this. All right, so you asked the questions, can the rap lyrics be used against you? The Rap Act they've been trying to pass last year would ban lyrics from being used as evidence. CNN, the Rap Act introduced in the House would ban lyrics from being used as evidence in criminal cases. A new piece of legislation introduced in the House of Representatives on Wednesday would ban the use of this right here, except as provided in subsection B, evidence of defendant's creative or artistic expression, whether original or derivative, is not admissible against such defendant in a criminal case, the bill states. So they got a bill out right now. And you remember what Donald Trump said. I'm going to get on the screen for this. Donald Trump said, them Democrats going to attack your First and your Second Amendment rights. This is what Donald Trump said. Donald Trump said, your First and your Second Amendment rights is under attack in America. Did he not say that? Donald Trump said these people are going to attack our First and our Second Amendment rights. Am I lying? That's what Donald Trump said. Now, he said they're going to take it. He said they're going to take it. Y'all might not agree with Donald Trump, but Donald Trump argues First Amendment right protect him. Trump takes aim at the First Amendment, and he said he will swear to preserve and defend the Constitution. So Trump is saying these people going to take, they're a threat to our First Amendment rights. They plan to change the First Amendment rights. How the hell y'all gonna change the Constitution? Right? So if you got a freedom of speech, you could be making a rap and all that shit could be lies, right? Just because it rhymed. And you rapping about a crime that you had nothing to do with, but you just lying and it rhymes and it sells. It's just an artistic form of expressing yourself, right? Saying I'm the capo, I'm the head man. I mean, goddamn, bro. I mean, come on. So you could just take away. Donald Trump said the Democrats will take away our First Amendment rights, our taxes, everything. He said they're going to punish us right now for our freedom of speech and our Second Amendment rights. All right? You say he's a big liar, Miss Carter. He's a big liar himself. Okay, I mean, he might be a big liar, but he damn sure ain't lying about this, because now they trying to use stock lyrics against him in his trial, which I see is not right. What is our constitutional rights? First Amendment. Our First Amendment provides that Congress make no law respecting and establishing the establishment of religion or prohibiting its free exercise. It protects freedom of speech, the press, assembly, and the right to petition in the government for a redress of grievances. So if you petitioning through your music for grievances, or you exercising your free right and your freedom of speech, I mean, you can say anything you want to say. They can't stop you from saying nothing, right? But the music, they want to take your art and use your art against you. That ain't right. That's not right to use somebody artistic livelihood against them. All right? So now I see y'all in the box having a debate about Donald Trump. Y'all can see what y'all want to see about Donald Trump. I don't care. Donald Trump might be this, he might be that, but what they is, he gonna tell you who he is, and he ain't gonna lie to you neither. And he gonna tell you, I don't like you. I don't like nothing about you. I'm a this, I'm that, I'm a racist, or whatever. At least he don't hide it. At least he don't hide it. And he tell you, he ain't picking no side. He say everybody ain't no good. Donald Trump said he grabbed the girl by her, and they try to sling the man behind that. Donald Trump's crazy, but Donald Trump said it. So, check this out. Donald Trump went after the prosecutor, and he mentioned Young Thug in the case. He said Donald Trump was up there talking about accuses DA of relationship, right? So Donald Trump attacked Fannie, and he said, look here, man, this woman been dealing with one of these dudes, allegedly. Now, this just alleged shit. We ain't saying the truth, but Donald Trump get up there and said that to the world. All right? Now, Donald Trump being prosecuted by the same woman right here.
Here at home, Fulton County DA Fonnie Willis fired back at allegations made by the former president. A new attack ad from former President Trump accuses Willis of having an inappropriate relationship with a former client. In an email to her colleagues obtained by the AP, Willis called the accusations, quote, derogatory and false. She urged her staff not to respond to the allegations publicly. Willis also wrote, quote, we have no personal feelings against those we investigate or prosecute. And
so She accused him. I mean, he accused her of having an inappropriate relationship with these people. Now, I'm gonna put something on the board for y'all. This is what Donald Trump did now. And this come from somebody close to Thugger. Somebody close to Thugger. I'm gonna put it on the board for y'all. Y'all wanna see it? Y'all wanna see it? Who wanna see it, Gag? I'm gonna put this on the board right now. So let's go here. Let's go right here. Now, I want y'all to check this out. Look at you, baby. Now, that's Fanny in court with the man that Donald Trump accused her of being involved. And you know, that's a tender rap deal, but I ain't got nothing to say about that. Look at you, baby. Damn. So, I mean, hey, what more else is it to say? All right? Nice little rub on the back in a circle. She caressed his back while he been in handcuffs, caressed him in his back. Look at you, baby. And she was representing him. So, I mean, shit. What the hell going on here? Come on, gang. Y'all got all the motherfuckers. Y'all got all the answers in the box, right? Come on here. Bring your ass to the principal office right now. So, this the same lady she indicted Thugdom, and this Mondo missed indictment. And Mondo is a part of the shit. And they ain't indict Mondo. Now, you ain't indict Mondo, but you indict the rest of them. Now, ooh, Lord, this is a whole lot to swallow here. All right? A whole lot to swallow with this motherfucking thug shit. Okay? This thug trial is going to be real complicated. And they ruled against him today. You know what I'm saying? They ruled against the man today, man. And Fanny had something to say. Let's go right here and watch this.
Prosecutors can use rap lyrics in the upcoming YSL trial. That high-profile case involves rapper Young Thug. Fox's Tyler Fingert is live at the Fulton County Courthouse. He's been following this, so he's going to give us more on that decision.
Yeah, Alex, good afternoon to you. Despite the objections of the defense teams, Fulton County Superior Court Judge Euro Glanville ruled that 17 sets of rap lyrics can be included in the upcoming criminal trial for the YSL RICO case that goes to trial on November 27th. That's when the case will begin being heard here at the Fulton County Courthouse. I want to take you inside as that decision was announced this morning. It comes after a more than 7-hour-long hearing that wrapped up around 9 p.m. last night. The judge says he is conditionally approving 17 sets of specific lyrics to be entered into evidence. Prosecutors say Atlanta rapper Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, ran the YSL gang responsible for a long list of violent crimes, including murder. Prosecutors say the rap lyrics can help prove the case. The defense teams had argued it's protected speech and would unfairly prejudice the jury. The judge wasn't swayed by that argument and ultimately allowed them to be admitted, but Judge Glanville made it clear that prosecutors can't just throw words out. Take a listen to part of his ruling.
The court will admit, I'll conditionally admit those pending lyrics, depending upon or subject to a foundation that is properly laid by the state or the proponent that seeks to admit that evidence.
And prosecutors created this document. These are just some of the lyrics that are being admitted. One of them is, I rep my life for real, for slimes you know I kill. Another one, hey, how you doing? I'm Yak Gotti. I got bodies on bodies. And a third one, I shot at his mommy, now he no longer mentioned me. So
damn.
These are 3 of the 17 that are being admitted into evidence for the upcoming criminal trial that begins on November 27th. And prosecutors say that more lyrics could be admitted into evidence later down the road. But once again, there'll have to be another motions hearing to be able to go through the process to be able to get them admitted, like what happened last night. And that decision was made this morning. And again, all of this coming just weeks before the criminal trial kicks off on November 27th. That's the Monday after Thanksgiving. We are live in downtown Atlanta this afternoon. Tyler Finger.
Now, check this out.
Fox 5 News.
Okay, Tom.
All right, so Fannie said this. Listen to this. All right, my bad, y'all. All right. So Fannie said this right here. Fannie said, and we got to go through this line for line, man. Fannie said, one was 7 hours ago. All right. This shit crazy. They trying to slam Doug, but Doug lawyer too good. Like, you could get this overturned, but you got to go to the Supreme. You gonna have to go to Supreme Court, and you're gonna have to go to.
Well, should rap lyrics be used on or is lot?
The defense says they should go case against protect people. First moves forward.
The First Amendment does not protect people from prosecutors using it as.
She said the First Amendment does not protect people.
Evidence, if it is protect people from prosecutors using it.
Where in the hell is that law? Hold up, man. The First Amendment
If it is such.
does not protect. So let's see. Does the First The court did not directly address the artistic merits or lack thereof, issuing a decision in rap music in the First Amendment, right? They never said that if that was the case, Luke, when he said fuck the police, Easy E, Luke, and all them boy beat them shit. Ice-T, Too Short. This the case right here. Elanis versus United States. Supreme Court 8-1 opinion reversed the trial court conviction of a man found guilty under federal stalker statute, and the grounds that the man was convicted under instructions from the jury. So the trial court reasonable, let's see this. Requesting the jury convict him, government must prove he innocent and the true threat. Court deadlines, reckless to be, hold up, Supreme Court records statute for threat conviction. Hold up here, man. This is, many rappers have been threatened through the years with either obscenity charges. Okay, that's the obscenity charges that they got, which was a threat. Rap music is not. These boys went, a federal judge declared the record obscene in Skywalker Records versus Navarro 1990. All right. However, the plaintiffs appealed in 11th, which reversed Luke Records versus Navarro. Luke Records, they try to get Luke from 2 Live Crew. The decision stands for principle that music has serious artistic value and such does not rise to the level of obscenity, even if filled with profanity and fucked up language. Okay? So this, I mean, god damn, this shit done hit the Supreme Court. Luke Skywalker, Luke versus Navarro. Okay? They done tried to do this shit a lot of times. Now, y'all know federal law overrides state. Federal law override state law. Okay? So, what they doing, as nasty as they want to be, was protected by the First Amendment. Luke Skywalker, as nasty as they want to be, protected by the First Amendment. Because how you gonna prove it was obscene when they said this is a freedom of speech, understanding the First Amendment law? You got the right to say what you want. So now this lady come up here and make up her own damn rule. This lady made up her own, Fanny made up her own rule, bruh. Fanny say, you can use that if it does not protect you from using that if you whack. You know what I'm saying? Like, goddamn, what the fuck? Look, who made that law, Fanny? Who made that law? Not you. Not you, Fanny. I don't like this shit.
A Fulton County judge is hearing argument after
He used as evidence in the work.
Sellers are like that. This is evident.
Crimes including murder.
I just
Young story that admitting to lyrics,
Which is that real life.
use his own lyrics.
Does he still write about?
From the final defense night, we'll of course keep you up to date.
So,
Every step for the
Fanny said,
hearing comes just a week. Tyler Finger has been in Tyler.
Big question. I want it to be used offense violate the First Amendment, among other reasons.
violate the First Amendment. Them boys just violate this man First Amendment rights, bro.
YSL stands for Young.
As evidence, the First Amendment does not protect people from prosecutors using it.
Bullshit! It does not protect people from prosecutors using it. Bullshit! Luke Skywalker. Luke versus Navarro. Ooh. They try to sling Luke about this shit. They try to ban 2 Live Crew in America. they try to ban these people. Lock them up, throw away the key, and ban them. The police been pulling Luke over every 5 minutes, putting charges on him. And Luke carried these, look at there, these boys getting locked up, record shots getting raided, and the court see, hey, no. This shit with Young Thug will be reversed. It's gonna be reversed. Who wanna bet me in the Supreme Court that this shit gonna get reversed? Who wanna bet me if this trial lasts? Who wanna bet me? I bet anybody that the First Amendment gonna stand up over this trial. Come on! Because they damn sure couldn't do it. They didn't be a young boy. Georgia? Ooh. Georgia! Boy, y'all don't know nothing about Georgia. Hey, listen. Woo! Lord, don't get in trouble in Georgia. I promise you they gonna break every law to keep your ass in jail. That's my fault, y'all. I missed to hit my power button. They ain't turned me off. They ain't turned me off, but I missed to hit my power button on y'all this nine. Turn my whole damn computer off. All right? I kicked the power button to turn the bitch off. But anyway, y'all, Georgia. Oh, don't bring your ass to Georgia, boy. I'm going to tell you right now, Georgia don't give a fuck about you. Yeah, Georgia don't give a fuck about you. Don't you bring your ass to Georgia bullshitting around. I'm going to tell you right now, Georgia state flag is a Confederate flag. That's all I'm going to tell you. Georgia state flag is the damn Confederate flag. That's all y'all need to know. Georgia banned Ray Charles' ass. How the hell you ban a blind man from his own goddamn state? Georgia. Boy, Georgia don't give a fuck. Georgia go. Boy, Georgia don't give a fuck, boy. Them boy banned Ray Charles' ass. Them boys say, don't bring your black ass back here, Ray Charles. Don't bring your black ass here. Don't bring your ass here. We don't want you. That nigga say, Georgia. That nigga been crying to get back to Georgia. Georgia. We ain't playing with you. Hey, look here, bro. Hey, all I'm going to tell y'all is the first, hey, look here, bro. If you come down here, do not fuck around in Georgia, okay? Georgia laws don't apply to people. I'm just saying. I got a freedom of speech. I say the fuck I want to say. Hey, look here. Georgia laws don't apply to human beings. I'm going to tell you that now. They got the chain gang in Georgia. Y'all know the chain gang is? They got motherfuckers on a horse with AR-15. These niggas still beating railroad tracks and shit. Y'all bullshit if you want to. They got the chain gang in Georgia. So don't bring your ass to Georgia with bullshit. I'm telling you right now. Georgia hide your ass in the mountains, boy. They don't give a damn. They still singing Negro spirituals doing bids in Georgia. Yeah, you got niggas still singing Negro spirituals doing time in Georgia. They on the motherfucking railroad track. Mama said, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Mama said, I'm coming home. Boy, them nigga beating rocks and singing Negro spiritual. Don't get your ass locked up in Georgia. They gonna use them same words to get your ass. Mama said, yeah, you heard him. He said, Mama said he coming home. Yeah, Fanny, right there. He coming home right now. Yeah, he trying to escape. Give him another 10 years. What the fuck? I'm just singing a song. No, nigga, your rap lyrics gonna get used against you. Mama said, I'm coming home. They indicting your mama on the RICO and she fuck around and say she know about that song. Your mama know about that song, she going to jail. Okay? They're gonna put her ass in jail. Yeah, Fanny say that shit don't apply to us. Fanny say that shit don't apply to nobody. Fuck you talking about? That shit don't apply to nobody. Fanny say the First Amendment, that don't protect you. That don't protect you. You can't say what you want to say. Fanny say that shit. Mama said, I'm coming home. These people ain't got shit on top. These people ain't got shit on top. They using anything, bro. It take you 10 years to get a nigga on a RICO and then turn around and talk about, I'ma use this nigga words against him. What the fuck? Y'all been had this shit. Y'all, come on, man, gang. Come on, let's shut that. They say, should rap lyrics be used in court? That's the question posed in Fulton County today, right? That's what the news say. Watch Fanny tell the news, shut the fuck up. You don't know what you're talking about. Watch this. Show us that. Where does the First Amendment does not protect you from freedom of speech? Fanny, please show it to me. I want to see it. Y'all see it? Because I damn sure don't see it. Somebody tell me what the First Amendment say. You got the right to you got the right of freedom of speech, except for if you get in a song and say, I'm gonna kill a nigga. Come on. Where it say that at? Gang, y'all can hear me? All right, now y'all can hear me now? Y'all got good sound now? Y'all can hear me now? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you give me. All right, look, check this out. Where does this say? Listen to this.
Protect people. The First Amendment does not protect people
The First Amendment does not protect people
from prosecutors using it.
From prosecutors using it. Where the Lord Jesus. No, Fanny didn't see this, man. Fanny, what is that? In the law book. Flag on the play. Flag on the play. Offside. Technical foul. Flagrant foul. Offsides by the defense. Number 32, Fanny. Offsides. Fanny said, Fanny said it does not protect you. Fanny, ain't no fucking such law, bruh. It ain't no such law that says that rap music is not protected under the First Amendment right. I don't give a damn if you get in there and say, fuck the president. They can't do nothing about that. Why is she saying this shit? Why is this woman doing this black woman doing this, man?
As evidence, if it not
moves forward.
the First Amendment does not protect people from prosecutors using it as
Protect people from prosecutors using it.
evidence if it is such.
If it is such,
Prosecutors say why
what?
Does not protect people.
Man, hell no, man. Hey, look, man. Look, man. Flag on the play, gang. Huddle up. We got 600 referees in the booty. I need y'all to hit the like button. What the like say? What the like say if I get the fuck out of here? Y'all don't play with me. I got a flag on the play. Fanny said the First Amendment does not
From prosecutors using it.
protect people from prosecutors using it. Listen to this. What speech is not protected by that? Now give me this right here. In music. What does the First Amendment guarantee in music? 1988. The First Amendment guarantees of the freedom of speech and expression extend to all artistic and literary expressions. Skywalker versus Navarro. Boy, Onan, you need to be a fucking lawyer. Nigga, hire me right now. Hey, look, I ain't need no bar. I ain't need shit. Look at this right here. This is the Supreme Court law that protects thugs. Now y'all drink that shit right there. What the? Yeah. Hey, look out. The law is Skywalker versus Navarro. It says it guarantees the freedom of expression extend to all artistic and literary expression, whether in music, concert, plays, books. Hey, hold up, Fanny, you out of here. Ski right. The highest court in the land said, no, you cannot use this shit as evidence. Where does it say the prosecutor could use this? I'm going to let this marinate on y'all for a minute. Where does it say this? She has a prejudice against Young Thug, got to be. And I'm neutral, but something ain't right. Something ain't right. If they let this lyrics in this trial, you done violated Skywalker versus Navarro, federal law. Two-line crew rap music protected by the First Amendment. The case went all the way to the Supreme Court, which ruled unanimously in favor of Two Live Crew in 1994. He made in terms of the First Amendment and obscenity, and he made law in terms of copyright law. Not too often that a rapper gets to make both federal constitutional law and federal copyright. This motherfucker went and won federal copyright law and constitutional in 1994. Oh, Fanny, you done fucked up now. You and Mr. Glanville, y'all in trouble. Y'all in trouble. Y'all in trouble. Music is protected by the First Amendment, bro. Bottom line, I don't give a fuck what you say in that music. I don't care what you say, because Luke said a bunch of shit. Luke said a bunch of shit. Didn't Luke say a bunch of shit? Didn't Eazy-E say a bunch of shit? Didn't Dolores Tucker? You a motherfucker. That's what Tupac say, right? Dolores Tucker, rap music. And guess what? Dolores Tucker tried to get the rap music banned, and she had owned half of the damn company. Oh, the rap war. Dolores Tucker versus the hip-hop beef. Dolores Tucker said on Congress against rap music in 1993.
Now we want to hear from the president of the National Congress of Black Political Women, which I had something to do when it was founded, who helped to found it, who has had a distinguished political career in her own right and has of late been taking the lead on this issue of violence against women. C. Dolores Tucker. Let's bring it on.
See, Dolores Tucker, you a motherfucker.
Jesse Jackson and the National Rainbow Coalition are to be commended for their foresight in addressing the #1 domestic problem in this nation, violence in America. The National Political Congress of Black Women is a nonprofit, nonpartisan organization created in 1984 at the suggestion of Reverend Jackson at the 1984 Democratic National Convention to empower African American women economically and politically. Its founding members do include some of the most prominent and concerned women in America, including Mary Berry and Dr. Dorothy Height, our mayor of this city, Alexis Herman, Dr. Gloria Toot, Jewel Jackson McCabe, Reverend Willie Barrow, Congresswoman Maxine Waters, Eleanor Holmes Norton, Carlos Collins, and Congresswoman Barbara Rose Collins. We embrace and salute the goals of this conference. Today we have all come together to join forces to address the issue of violence in the nation. A violence which has decimated our communities, devastated our families, and destroyed the souls of so many of our youth. It is imperative that we stop the agendas that are not too relevant as this. That we stop pondering over the issue of space exploration, that we stop debating whose diary we should publicize, that we stop arguing over what choices each lifestyle has. For today we must be serious about this serious situation, this plague, this death to our society. Our greatest fear right here in America is not from hurricanes or earthquakes, not from disease or war, but from violence one against the other. We must understand clearly that violence comes in many forms and is acted upon by many sources. Whether we are talking about physical violence, spiritual violence, economic violence, or sexual violence, the end result is the same, the destruction of human life. Enough is enough. To bring me what made me say enough is enough. Where's my graphic? bring it up here, please, somehow. I am here to put the nation on notice that violence perpetuated against women through the music industry in the forms of gangster rap and misogynist lyrics will not be tolerated any longer.
So, hold on. We gonna finish watching this right now. Y'all know I gotta play something for y'all. Listen now. Let's go. Let's go, gang. They're finna play this right here.
Principle must come before profit. A year ago, I established the National Political Congress of Black Women's Entertainment Commission, headed by Dionne Warwick, Melba Moore, Terry Rossi of Billboard magazine, and Ron Alexander, our director. We had one primary goal: the task of examining and developing strategies and solutions for reshaping and maintaining positive images to preserve that is nothing but pornographic smut, available to any child to go in and buy with the album and with the record. That has got to stop. You want to know why I'm on the warpath? When I saw this, I said, that's it. We march against.
Ooh, she got some bomb ass. Oh, Dolores got some bomb ass. Ooh, you can't do nothing about it.
For 400 years, profit came before principle, as black women bore the brunt of slave masters' degradation. But even through the Middle Passage, the peculiar institution of slavery, the spirit of black women and their families could not be broken. Today, however, through the lyrics of rappers who display no respect for women, no respect for families, and little respect for themselves, the souls of our sisters are being destroyed, and so too their progeny. All of us have watched as the industry grown. We have watched not really knowing, not really understanding, not first realizing the damage that is inherent in what some thought were merely words. Now we see the direct and indirect effects. We see the rise in murders, in abuse, in batteries, teen prostitution, and teen suicide. We hear the wailing mothers, the grieving sisters, the tormented brothers and fathers, and children planning their own funerals with pink dresses and pink caskets. We feel their hopelessness and helplessness, and we embrace their pain. Yet in the midst of these tragedies, others still want to argue about the First Amendment right to freedom of speech, a freedom they have embraced to call African American women hoes and bitches and sluts and even worse. As I see it, there are three things wrong with gangster rap and misogynist lyrics. It is obscene, it is obscene, it is obscene. In my view, it was never intended by the founding fathers of this nation that First Amendment rights were meant to protect obscenities. And if there were
Hold up.
founding mothers, it
Stop.
would have been more explicit about.
She said, in my view. She said, in my view, Fanny. Fanny. She said, in my view.
Obscenities. And if there were founding mothers, it would have been more explicit about what the First Amendment meant. Obscenity never intended obscenities. And if there were founding mothers of this nation, that First Amendment rights were meant to protect obscenities. And if there were founding mothers, it would have been more explicit about what the First Amendment meant. Obscenity has long been an exception. Obscenity, and we have the Attorney General here, I believe it's right. Obscenity has long been an exception to free speech. If the filth that is portrayed in these gangster rap videos and art is not obscene, then I submit that nothing is obscene. In 1992, the Canadian Supreme Court ruled that it was more important to ban speech that is dehumanizing to women than to protect free speech. African American women have always been the protector and nurturers of their homes, their families, and their communities. We marched for our rights to Selma. I was there with Dr. King we're beaten with billy clubs, and we're bitten with dogs unleashed by bull counters. We will not tolerate injustice and insults from our worst enemies then, and we sure ain't gonna accept insults from our youth now.
All right. Okay.
All right. So here you go. Miss C. Dolores telling us the new and improved C. Dolores Tucker. See, this the 2024 version of Dolores C. Tucker. C. Dolores Tucker. See, you a mother. All right. Now, look. She said the law don't protect us from using this against them. Bullshit.
Does not protect people.
Moves forward.
The First Amendment does not protect people from prosecutors using it.
It does not protect people from prosecutors using it. Man, well, what the fuck does this say? What does this say about Supreme Court ruled unanimously that this man words, lyrics is a right to the First Amendment? Woo, this the law. Woo, this the law. Onan, they call you the ruler for one purpose. And that's to guide my people to the truth. Right or wrong, up or down, north or south, east or west. Them boys just violated Doug's rights to his First Amendment. Georgia said, fuck your First Amendment. Georgia said, the hell with the First Amendment. Judge Glanville put his power over the Supreme Court. Judge Glanville said, my word mean more than this right here you see on this page. This is why you don't get in trouble. Because these people will convict you and make you come back and give it back. They don't care. They know they're wrong. They know what they did today was absolutely wrong. But they didn't care. The highest court in the land said, you can't do that. The case with NBA Youngboy said, you can't do that. They're using lyrics right now inside of the fucking trial in Oblock, if I'm not mistaken. Them boys just telling you the hell with the First Amendment. See, Dolores tried to change the First Amendment, couldn't do it. She did this in 93. Luke come in 94. In 94, 1 year after, when they put the smack down and did this. Now, Dolores Tucker did all that shit. and she was on the board and had money tied up in record labels. She targeted Time Warner. She targeted Time Warner, bought shares of stock in the company. Bought shares of stock in the company and appeared at stockholders' meeting to deliver speeches against their involvement of gangster rap. So she bought into it, particularly Death Row Records. Although she counted Time Warner's sale of its 50% share in Interscope and distributor Death Row Records as a victory, Shakur, one of his songs, rhymed her name obscene, shit at her name. A subsequent lawsuit against Shakur's estate in 1996 claiming defamation and loss was dismissed. So she said she bought into one of these companies and shit. So Dolores Tucker bought into Time Warner. She bought stocks and she sat on the board with this shit. Now,
YSL stands for Young to hear Wednesday as the YSL RICO case against rapper Young Thug and others moves forward.
The First Amendment does not protect people from prosecutors using it as evidence if it is such.
Prosecutors say YSL stands for Young Slime Life and was co-founded by Young Thug. The rapper says YSL stands for Young Stoner Life Records. Prosecutors allege lyrics within the label are evidence of crimes committed by the gang. Defense attorneys disagree. They plan to have experts testify that rap lyrics are negatively interpreted by most Americans because of racial bias.
There's a strong legal test of when a lyric can be used as evidence.
Despite the controversy, Young Thug continues to release new music with a new album called Business is Business.
In this case, you have to really think about, is this good for him?
At least one Atlanta City Councilman is weighing in. Antonio Lewis says he does not believe lyrics should be used in court.
Lyrics are the same thing as movies, and acts are something that we can prove.
Congressman Hank Johnson is pushing a similar bill at the federal level called the Restoring Artistic Protection Act. If passed, it would prohibit the use of artists' lyrics in a courtroom. So again,
you don't have to do that when you have a freedom of speech to protect them. You can't use, there's no law that stipulate to say that you can use. That's why they coming up with this shit, because there ain't no law that say that the prosecutors can use that against you. There ain't no law that say that what Fannie just said. Fannie straight up lied to the whole fucking world. Fannie said this woman is a prosecutor and said,
Does not protect people from prosecutors using.
That's a fucking lie, Fannie. That's a lie. This lady just straight up lied to the whole world and said it does not stop them from using it and they can use it legally. Bro, this bullshit, bro. I ain't got time for this shit right here, man. This some real bullshit. She told a flat out lie. There is no law in America that says prosecutors can use rap lyrics against these dudes when they get locked up for a crime. First Amendment don't got no damn limitations. What limitation is say? All right, you say, Vernon said First Amendment got limitations. Vernon, it does. You say the First Amendment got limitations? All right. If the First Amendment got limitations, let me take you to Onan school right now. If the First Amendment got
Prosecutors say
limitations,
YSL stands for
if the First Amendment got limitations, it says rap music. Rap music is an artistic, it guarantees the freedom of speech and expression extended to all artistic and literary expression, whether in music, concert, plays, I don't give a fuck. Music is music. You can say, I'm a killer nigga. I'm a kill. You can say that all day, and then you kill somebody, and then they gonna say, oh, well, we gonna use that as a trial. Bullshit. Bullshit. Whatever you say can be used against you, whether it's music or talking. Bullshit. How y'all gonna go against the law? Look, bro, 1988 First Amendment guarantees the freedom of speech and expression, extend to all artistic and literary expression, rather in music, motherfucker, music. Boy, y'all motherfucker retarded in that box. Don't let me find out y'all retarded. Don't let me find out you retarded now. What does word spell? M-U-S-I-C. What does that spell? What does Skywalker versus Navarro spell? They try to use this man rap lyrics against him. And he won in the Supreme Court. Unanimously. Unanimously. In 1994. Y'all niggas will see something in y'all face and try to go against it. That only means you can say what you want. That don't mean you actually did the crime. That don't mean, fuck, you actually did a crime and rap about it. You can get prosecuted. You don't know if he actually did the crime. You innocent until proven guilty, and you can say anything you want to. Your artistic music don't got shit to do with the crime. Nothing to do with the crime unless you've been singing the song when you kill them and they got you recorded. Y'all saying Skywalker case different. He ain't killed nobody, right? Bro, fuck if he killed somebody. Did Thug kill somebody? You don't fucking know that. You don't know that. These people saying he killed that man. You don't know that shit. That man, you already got the man guilty before he even fucking get prosecuted. Bro, you got this man guilty. Vernon, are you a prosecutor, bro? Are you a prosecutor, homie? You done convict that man. You convict that man, bro. What is you talking about? The man is innocent to prove it guilty. So therefore, if you innocent, they can't use that against you. This is irrelevant in the court of law. His music ain't gonna fucking, you think he said, oh, I killed Nut in the music? Did he say I killed Nut in the music? I just want to know. Did he say I killed Nut in the music? Fuck no. So go ahead somewhere with that shit, bro. It's an artistic expression, dog. It's music and it's protected. Y'all sitting there saying, oh, this Luke Skywalker case different. No, the fuck it ain't. It's saying that obscenity, what they using in Thug Trial, obscene shit that he said in his music. Obscene shit, murder, naked hoes, everything. They using his words in his music against him. Bro, is y'all niggas tripping or what? Have y'all done lost this shit or what? It's a freedom. I got the link in the box. Anybody want to argue right now? Come on up here. I'm going to be respectful. Y'all be respectful. We have man-to-man talk. I don't think y'all understanding what's going on here. It ain't about Luke Skywalker killing nobody. The court said that they can't ban him. They can't do nothing to him. How can you say his lyrics obscene when he got a freedom of speech? You innocent until proven guilty. The problem is, y'all done convict the man. Turn on your camera, bro. Turn off your camera, hustle. Turn them off. The problem is, the problem is, y'all done convict the man before he even goddamn fucking get found by the jury. What's up, hustle?
What it do, my dude? You know you my dude for sure. But listen, on this one, like if I do like say I went out and did a crime, bro, and just I'm gonna just use Young Thug as an example because this is an actual
Hold on, let me
fact,
stop
bro.
you.
So listen,
Let me stop you.
okay, the fact.
Hold on. I know what you listen. I know what you about to say, but where that at in the law? What you about to say? Listen, what you about to say right now is the same shit Fanny saying. Where is that in the law saying if I go out and kill somebody and I put it in my music, it can be used against me?
No. Listen, it's a difference. It's a difference. No, it's a difference, bro. What they was on Luke head about, that was back in the days when they was trying to stop him from saying pussy and hoes and bitches and all that on
Listen. Hey,
albums.
bro, look,
What
White
they
telling
talking
you,
about
bro.
with Young
Look, White
Thug?
telling you, bro.
Listen, bro, just listen for one second, my nigga.
All right, go ahead. I'm gonna give you the stage. Go ahead.
Okay, so the difference in Young Thug case and Luke case is Young Thug, Luke was just rapping about bitches, hoes, shake that pussy, all that stuff.
Hey, watch the word there, bro. All right, go ahead. You good? Go ahead.
They didn't want him to say that on earth, so that's what he was a free speech.
Hey, you coming in and out. Can you get a better signal? Leave and come back. Leave and come back. Leave and come back. Leave and come back. Because your signal going in and out. Turn your camera, Juicy. Turn your camera, Juicy. Hold on. Let me remove this one. All right. Turn on your camera, Juicy. On the bottom. You see your face. All right, go ahead. Now go ahead.
Can you hear me, Onan?
Yeah.
All right.
Juicy, let me see your face, bro.
So the
right. I ain't bringing nobody up here unless you see me
difference
face. Go ahead.
between Young Thug case is like he rapped about, huh?
Yeah, you got. Damn, bro. I wish you could get somewhere where, I wish you could get somewhere where your servers coming in and out.
Dude, mother, and
All right, so look. leave out and find you a nice spot where you could come in at, man. Because right now, what's going on is I can't get you up here. I can't get you, to come in correctly. So look, check this out, y'all. All right. Now, as current written federal evidently rules should also prevent admission of creative expressions as confessions. Courts may exclude evidence outweigh the danger of unfair prejudice. Okay? So, right now, this is where we got the problem at. Let me show y'all right now. All right? Let me show y'all what's going on here. So we can understand. Homicide serves as a frequent metaphor in rap music lyrics. In homicide metaphors, violence stands in a symbolic skill, courage, or power. That murder expression, one, lyrics to defeat, to destroy, lyrics to supply, and all this and all that and all that. Right? So, right here, even when violent lyrics are not used as metaphors, Dennis explained that. You there?
Yeah, I'm here, bro. I had to get a different phone.
All right, go ahead, finish it. Go ahead, finish what you got to say.
Okay, my brother, thank you for letting me speak too. I just wanted to clarify because there's two different cases here. Dealing with Luke's case, it's like he was fighting over freedom of speech. Like they were literally trying to stop him from saying the B word, the P word, and calling women out their name and stuff, right? So with Young Thug, the case is it's not about freedom of speech. It's actually about what he said in the song. And they actually got evidence that can prove what he's saying in the song is actually true, because when he rap about shooting at Young Thug house and shooting at his mama, it's actually a police report to prove that that's a fact. So who else would know that they shot at his mama other than the people who did it? So it's like he basically told on himself, bro.
All right. So now that you're saying that, right? Check this out. Now, I understand exactly what you're saying, but listen to me.
Hey, hold on. It's two totally different cases.
No. But listen what I'm telling you. The word First Amendment, I need you to look at this right now.
No, I understand that. Yes, sir.
Listen. No matter what you say, let's just look at this in the general terms. No matter what you say, whether it's obscene, whether it's
it doesn't say incriminating.
It
doesn't say incriminating.
Yeah, but no law says that incriminating rap lyrics in the First Amendment you can be prosecuted for that.
But listen, bro, it's simple. It's simple. So listen, you know we got the freedom of speech already, right?
Yeah, but no.
So
his lawyer was arguing First Amendment, bro.
Exactly. That's the freedom of speech and the freedom of expression.
Yes, that's what his lawyer was saying. That
he
has the right to do that.
It's a difference between freedom of speech and freedom of expression. And when you actually rapping about something that's a crime that happened, that's police documented.
No, but
they can actually use that against you, bro. It happened to my cousin in real life. Like they can use, if it's a crime that actually happened and it's on the police reports as happening on,
and let me ask you
the way that person said it, they can use it. Not saying that he gonna be proven guilty of it.
No.
But they can bring it in court and use it against him.
Listen, the only way what you saying now is You saying it's a crime and it's a police report on it, right? Doug never
Yes,
said,
it is.
listen, Doug never said I kill Nut in his music. He
Dolph never did. No, Dolph never did.
Not Dolph. I say Doug never said that.
No, but he said I shot that nigga mama in his song.
That could have been anybody, mama.
Bro, the only person he was beefing with was Lucci, and then Lucci mama got shot at, bro. They can use that in court, my nigga.
I understand what you're saying, but
especially if they got these snitches from YSL that's gonna prove that yes, he sent that hit.
Hey, listen, it don't matter. He never said.
Bro.
Listen, why I'm telling you. We gotta have an understanding, bro. An admittance to a crime is saying I did this.
That's exactly what he said. He said I shot at that nigga mama. He said that out his mouth.
Hey, listen, hold on. See your background. Hold on. Listen, Dog said he shot at nigga mama, right? That could have been anybody mama he shot at. They ain't saying that. He ain't say, I shot at Lucci mama. I shot at this mama. He didn't say a specific person, place, or thing. That ain't what he's saying. You gotta know the law. The law say you innocent until proven guilty. So you mean to tell me if he didn't give a full admittance of that crime, you gonna try to take a fucking lyric that could scratch out from anything and use that and say, oh, that's what he been talking about. This what he been talking about right here. He been talking about Lucci mama. Come on, your turn, Julie. Your turn.
Yeah, listen to what I said. What he said on his album, it's a police report for it. For the same person that he's beefing with in real life. They killed Nut. So
hold on.
All of this is public knowledge. All of this is public information, bro.
Listen, allegedly.
Yeah, allegedly, but it's still public information.
Yeah, but he never said he killed Nut.
All right. Well, I'm going to tell you they're going to use it in court. Not saying he going to be guilty, but they going to try to use it against him, my dude. Trust me.
I understand what you're saying, but what I'm telling you is he never admitted to that crime in his music. He said some things.
I wouldn't have said nothing that close to it if I know that we did shoot at his mama, bro. Yeah, you leaving yourself open for the prosecution.
Hey, listen, I understand what you're saying. The first thing I said when I came on there, I said, hey, y'all keep the shit out your rap lyrics that you're doing in real life. That's what I said. But this the court of law, right? And in the court of law, you can use admittance of guilt, meaning I shot at Lucci mama. If he said that in that fucking music, and he said that nigga name, and he gave specific directions, yes, they can take that as a confession. But they're taking subliminals and using it as evidence, which is illegal. You can't do that, dog. The man ain't never said that.
You're right
man ain't never said that shit, bro. That's all I seen.
Right.
You can't take
a about that. He didn't say Lucci mama. You're right.
No.
You sure right.
No. That could have happened when he was 15.
Right.
And he got some rat nigga trying to get some time off them and go say, well, the prosecutor say, well, see, if he been talking about his mama, just say he been talking. Man, them people lie all day, man.
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying what you saying is wrong. What I'm saying is, if you ain't got a confession in that music that matched that damn fucking police report, nigga, you ain't got shit, because he got a freedom of speech. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what I'm trying to show you. I'm trying to show you that the only way they can use anything against you that you say like that is if you admit to a crime.
So let me ask you this. If they was to try to use that lyric against him, and he got somebody that was on his squad in court that's saying, yeah, that lyric is true. He did send a hit on dude mama. Then what?
Well, they gonna say this right here, right? If a mother comes snitch on you, let me see your background. Who is you? Have you ever been in trouble before? Because your word don't mean shit on the stand, nigga, if you a criminal. And if you been in a gang, fuck your word. Because you in a gang and you ain't no good anyway. That's what my lawyer gonna say. You can't
If that's the case, they would have said that to Hernandez Govan. Shit, that nigga the biggest snitch in the world and still walking the streets.
Hey, but guess what? When he caught that case, that been his first federal case, homie. That been his first charge. You see that? You see what I'm saying? That been his first time. So they use him. You see what I'm saying? Now, when he get back on the stand and try to do that now, he gonna have hell out of lawyer like Brian Steele. Brian Steele ain't no goddamn joke, bro. And I'm telling you right now, there's the same lawyer that represent Rollo, all these dudes. Only thing I'm saying is this, right? We got the freedom of speech going down now. If you and listen, if that's the case, they trying to say this. You remember in the XX Extension trial? You remember that trial right there? You remember how you remember how they tried to say that his lyrics been matching what he was saying about killing XX Extension, right?
Right.
He never said that. That's why they asked out a hung jury now. You understand what he's saying? Yeah, that's why they got a deadlock jury. Jury can't convict you unless it's without a reasonable doubt. If the man didn't say, I shoot at the man mama and call his name and call the specific time.
No, I get it now. You 100% right.
They can't use that shit.
You 100% right. You 100% right, too.
That's a subliminal, bro.
Yeah,
you using subliminals to convict a man. And subliminals under his artistic freedom land under the First Amendment. Land under the First Amendment. Them boy did some illegal shit. You see what I'm saying? I mean, we gotta have some type of clarity here, bro. Like, if you ain't
I'm with you 100% now.
Yeah, if you ain't confessing to these shit, bro, in the music, bro, they can't use that shit against you. Any confession could be used. I don't give a fuck if it's in the music. I don't give a fuck where it's at. Any confession could be used. If you fuck around, make a song and say, I shot that nigga at 12 o'clock, his name is Johnny, and he been sitting on his porch, your ass going to jail.
Yeah, for sure. For sure,
yeah, Thug ain't did that. Thug just made a bunch of subliminals around that shit, and they trying to take that and make people say, hey, this is what he been talking about. No! He ain't never called a man name.
That's true, though.
He never called his name, so you can't convict him. And then he got the right to freedom of speech. So if he want to use a subliminal to say he shot at the man mama, that could have been fucking 12, 13 years ago. And they don't know that. They got a rat trying to say that this we got a nigga in the trap and this is what he said. No, fuck no, man. Them people wrong for that shit, bro. Like, if you've been on that stand right now, I'd have been up here arguing for you the same way. No, sir. Hell no. Y'all can't use that. The man never said, I shot at Lucci Mama.
Yeah, he never said a name.
He never gave a name. You want the people to say, he been talking about Lucci. Because Lucci died and Lucci Mama get shot at. Well, how many fucking mamas got shot at this year, last year, and the year he got locked up?
Right. Yeah, that's true.
You see what I'm saying? You can't pinpoint that to be exact facts. So you can't use that in court if it ain't facts. That's circumstantial bullshit. It's two types of evidence. Circumstantial and what? Physical. This whole case circumstantial. Everything they talking about is hearsay. That's it, bro. Niggas convicted this man off hearsay. That's it, bro. That's it. You feel me? And that's the lesson we here to learn today. That all you rapping ass niggas, keep that shit out your fucking music, bro. Keep it out your music, and you won't have to worry about them railroading your ass. You understand that? Do not put it in the music. Subliminal, unsubliminal, wherever you want to go with that shit, bro, you should not put that shit in your music if you fucking know damn well you out here running with gangs and shit like that. They're going to try to hang your ass. Now, check this out. I'm going to give you another example right here, right? Remember when FBG Doc get killed, right? Now, when Dirk say, how high you get? I get high as Doc. He called Doc name after the murder. After the murder. Now, when they put him on the stand, guess what gonna be used against him? That same word where he say Doc name.
Yeah.
You understand that?
Yeah.
King Vaughn said, that boy. He never would say Duck name. He said, that boy,
Right.
that boy.
Yeah.
King Von name is stupid, but Dirk call his name. How you get it? I get high as Duck. Hold up. You call Duck name, Duck get killed. Your brother been the first one, get a phone call on Duck in the store, and the girl saying the phone been her name, and she said that he been talking to the nigga in the store that day on FaceTime. All that's going down, Dirk, you going to jail.
Yeah, facts. Him and his brother.
Yes, they call a name, bro. You can't call them boy name and no music and then expect the people not to use that shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's nobody that can say he been talking about Lucci Mama, except one of them niggas who got sent out, right? Say the nigga who said that got sent out, right?
Yeah.
If he say that, that's just his word, hearsay against the court. That's it. Now, it's up to the court to believe that shit, but it's just hearsay. I ain't saying you a motherfucking please. And if I saying you, you should be on this stand with me.
Right.
You feel me? That's how that shit should be, bro. So, this case does mean a whole lot right here with Luke, right? Because in this case, they said his artistic freedom of expressing himself, subliminal wise, nasty wise, all that, it guaranteed his expression in music, concert, or plays. So it's the same thing for Thug. Thug never said specific person, place, or thing. Specific person, place, or thing. So that still falls under his expression in music, and you trying to use that without a true confession to convict him, bro. That's all I see. They got to prove that shit, bro. They got to prove that shit 100%. Just because he said he shoot at the man mama, goddamn, bro. Everybody know, right? Everybody know, but they ain't a fucking soul could prove it.
Yeah, you got to prove it, though. Yeah, that's true.
Everybody could know you killed that motherfucker, right? Everybody could know that. Don't you know the hardest charge to beat, the hardest charge for a prosecutor to convict you on is murder?
Yep.
The hardest charge for them to get you on a trial is murder. Because if they don't got no gun, and they don't got no fingerprint,
Eyewitness.
no eyewitness, you walking.
Yep.
I don't give a fuck if your cell phone been next to the nigga. It don't matter. You ain't see me shoot him. I could have been standing next to the nigga, right? Let's say Squeak Drop could have been standing in the cookie shop parking lot, and the bullet fly past Squeak Drop, hit Dolph. Squeak Drop on the scene. How you know Squeak dropping on the scene if they all masked out, glove up? You can't identify nobody through that. But they saying they know he been there, right? The only way you can know he been there is if you go show us a satellite with this motherfucker leaving his house, going to that motherfucker, leaving that motherfucker, going home, taking off his clothes, getting in the same car. Yeah, they got you. But if you ain't got that, and you just say, oh, his cell phone been on the scene, so this makes him the shooter. Bullshit.
No, that ain't enough evidence.
That ain't enough. There's a reasonable doubt.
Yeah.
There's a reasonable doubt. So that's why I'm trying to figure out now with the dog kids. You saying y'all put Squeak Drop and Cornelius on the scene, right? Do you see any of their face on that scene?
Mm-mm.
You don't see that. Do you see any video that's showing us they've been there? No, you see some still images. Bro.
That been doctored. Somebody sitting in the office or something that's messing with them because you can see the reflection on the computer.
Bro, them boy, bro, this whole shit fucked up. I'm talking about, bro, this shit so fucked up. The way they doing this shit now. And not only is, let me tell y'all about Thug, right? Y'all remember the other day when we put this up on the board, the plea and bar. Look at this right here now. The general demur, don't y'all forget about this. Nigga, it might not even be no trial. We all sitting here saying, oh, that's that. It might not even be no trial because the judge ain't rule on this shit. The judge ain't rule on this shit that they charged this man with the wrong shit and try to come back and re-indict him on some shit. The general demur. So they ain't even, it might not even be a trial if that judge fuck around and say, this Supreme Court law by Brian Steele that he won, Rooks versus State, and the other one with him, this is a clear shot win. Them boys saying they wrongly charged Mr. Williams with possession of a machine gun, and the jury failed to plead the necessary means, thus the count cannot withstand its general demur. They did a bunch of illegal shit in this case. We ain't even see the outcome for this. Y'all might wake up tomorrow and them boy might say, hey, whole case dismissed. Judge Glanville just ruled on it. Judge Glanville just ruled on the demur. He just ruled on the demur. Y'all dead.
And the only way I can see that is because the prosecution coming so late with all this evidence. It's like they was hiding evidence from the defense.
They keep trying to stack shit on him, and that's not in the discovery. If you don't give them that in the Rule 5, in the motion to discovery, and give them a chance enough to fight to make a defense for the evidence that you're presenting, you can't take that evidence and use it against them without giving a defense an adequate amount of time to build up a defense for that. So that's why the judge bug out on their fucking ass, because they keep bringing in shit, and it was not inside the Rule 5.
True that.
So you violating. When is the fucking cutoff point for you bringing evidence? Every fucking day, they bringing new shit and not giving the defense chance to build a defense for that shit. Every day, they got some new shit. Oh, well, we gonna use this. We gonna use this. We gonna use this. If y'all kids been so solid, why the fuck y'all dropping the ball and keep on? Y'all had 10 years to do this, and now every day y'all coming with some other shit, man. Every day. Let me see your face, my daddy innocent. Come on, let me see your face to the bottom. I'll let you up. Let me see your face. All right. Come on up. Let me see your face. Turn on your camera. My daddy innocent. B, turn on your camera. Black Magic. Turn on your camera. All right, get your ass on. Hey, look, check this out. Now, you remember the other day, I showed y'all this, right? Check this out. Boy, Judge Glanville bugged the fuck out the other day. Oh, y'all see that, right? Judge Glanville yells, hold up, yells at State. Watch this. Judge Glanville fucking bogged out in the courtroom in Young Thug KINGZ. This man tell them fucking people, hey, look here, man. All right. Somebody got this on here. Let's go with this boy right here.
This is ridiculous. Your witness list has grown by 2/3. And I don't know why. You better have a dang good explanation. Because if you don't, I'm going to exclude it.
The Young Thug YSL RICO trial got heated today. Judge Glanville gets annoyed with the state for continuing to add discovery and witnesses this late to the trial, stalling motions that need to be heard and blindsiding the defense lawyers.
Blindsiding these people. You see that? You see that, big dog? Listen to this now. He talking to the prosecutors. Look.
This is ridiculous. Your witness list has grown by 2/3. And I don't know why. You better have a dang good explanation. Because if you don't, I'm going to exclude it.
The Young Thug YSL RICO trial got heated today. Judge Glanville gets annoyed with the state for continuing to add discovery and witnesses this late to the trial, stalling motions that need to be heard and blindsiding the
So Judge Glanville said, man, what the fuck wrong with y'all? Like, why y'all keep doing this shit? Why y'all keep, they done had drug smuggling in this courtroom. They done had lawyers locked up in this courtroom. They done had the most bizarre shit in this motherfucking case you can ever imagine, bro. These motherfuckers done get catch with everything but a gun on the stand. You understand what I'm telling you? This trial so jack up. If they do get a trial and go through a trial, that bitch coming immediately back. I'm talking about there's a dog, y'all don't know, one technicality. All it take is one technicality to throw that shit back at the ass. I'm telling you, this trial, the whole case so jack up and the whole trial so jack up, they might well just go ahead and dismiss that shit and try again in another 10 years. I just being honest, bro. They done fuck up so much. Yeah, they done fuck up so much, bro. Ain't nothing they can do. They keep slamming witnesses in the case. They keep fucking over the defense. They keep doing, I mean, this shit, the judge get mad at the juror ain't show up. The goddamn juror say, I don't want no part of this shit, I'm gone. The motherfucker, they catch them boy handing drugs in the court, all kind of shit. The lawyer got a pistol in the briefcase. Dog goddamn, whoa, Lord, all kind of shit going on in this case. Y'all ever see there's a fucking monkey show. Y'all ever see a monkey show in court?
Hey, you know what? It's crazy you say that, bro. Because, listen, it seems like a bunch of shit that's going on right now is to keep our attention off of something, bro, that's really going on that's going to affect us.
Yes, sir.
Because it seems like they using all these stars and shit to put on this beef with each other and all this shit that's going on to keep the regular people just, minds on some bullshit instead of what's really going on.
Something's going on.
Something is going on, bro.
Something is brewing. I keep saying this, bro, like we all been at. I keep saying this. I saying something ain't right about how many rappers, all these people on trial getting indicted. This shit crazy. Listen to this. You just had YNW Melly, Extension, King Von Kiss, Old Block, Dolph Kiss, Dog Kiss, Lucci Kiss. God damn it, bro. I'm talking about Rollo.
I'm talking about, it's like they using these stars to keep us looking at the stars while it's crazy we say it like that. They use the stars to keep us looking at the stars while they got this bullshit going on. You feel me?
Hey, bro, something going on. Something is, hey, look here. I'm going to tell y'all this much. Hey, and this young dog kids, hey, bro, I had a dream. Hey, listen, they about to rack up everybody ass. Y'all hear what I say?
Yeah, I've been feeling that myself.
Hey, everybody about to go to jail next week. That's why I think it's next week. Hey, before November 17th.
2-year anniversary.
Yes, sir. 2-year anniversary, motherfucker going to jail. Guess who all go to court on the 17th? Everybody. Everybody go to court on the 17th. All them niggas go to court on the 17th. So I ain't buying that. I ain't buying that.
Right.
I ain't buying that. So I'm
they rounding everybody up at the same time.
Yes, sir. And let me tell you something.
Whoever don't show up, they already know they on the run.
Exactly. And I'm gonna tell y'all like this right here, bro. Something is definitely now. This is what I don't understand. Rollo came on. All right. Now, Rollo came on, and when Rollo came on, Rollo came out
dissing in CMG.
Dissing. And he said, ain't no diss. Ain't no diss to them, right? But I say, Rollo, come on, man. Come on, man. Rollo say, I ain't signing with no motherfucking CFG because I love Dolph, bro.
That's right.
And
I fucks with Rollo.
I fuck with Rollo too, but I'm telling you right now, right? Rollo, we want to see you stay out jail, man.
Oh, yeah, most definitely.
Rollo, you take a shot at these police. Hey, look, man.
Yeah.
Leave them police alone, man. Look now.
You know